Hello, Tydet66 here, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve one of these. Step 6. Positioning the last layer edges. For positioning the last layer edges, there's only one algorithm you need to know, but there are 4 different outcomes you can come across, and there's a certain rule that you have to follow. If you have an already solved side adjacent to the yellow face, you must face that side. If not, face any side and continue to do this algorithm until you get a solved face or you come across one of the special ending cases. Since I do not have a solved adjacent face, I just need to face a face at random. Here's the algorithm. I solved this face, so I'm going to face that side and do the algorithm again. You may need to continue doing that algorithm until you reach one of the 4 special cases. I will go over those now. Case 1, the fish. You'll face it this pattern just like this. Case 2, the H. You will face this pattern just like this. Case 3, the cross, which you can face any side. And case 4, if you're lucky, you will solve the cube with that last algorithm. Step 7, solving the last layer edges. There are 2 algorithms you need to know, which I will go over now. Here is the H algorithm. Here is the fish algorithm, which is simply these 2 turns, and then the H algorithm. And then those 2 turns to undo it. To solve the special case of the cross, all you need to do is either the fish algorithm twice or the H algorithm twice. In this case, I will do the H. Congratulations, you have now solved your very first Rubik's Cube using the layer by layer method. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.